All right, so this one is on the number of solutions to quadratic equations, which we are given by the discriminant. Now, if you are a B-Day student, we will learn more about the discriminant tomorrow. If you're an A-Day student, we learned about it yesterday. So a quick reminder or introduction, the discriminant of a quadratic equation is the part of the quadratic formula that's underneath the square root sign. So it's B. I'm using my regular computer, so it's a little hard for me to type right. So b squared minus 4ac. Now, if our discriminant is positive, that means we have two solutions. If our discriminant is negative, we have no real solutions. If our discriminant is 0, we have one real solution. So the value of the discriminant of f, so I need a, b, and c. So a is -7. Well, b is 8. And c is 2. So plugging that into my discriminant formula, so I get b squared, so 8 squared minus 4 times a, which is -7, times c, which is 2. So 8 squared is 64. -4 times -7 is, positive 28. Positive 28 times 2 is 56. So 64 plus 56. So 64 plus 56 is 120. So the value of the discriminant is 120. Oops. And that means that we have two x-intercepts because our discriminant is positive. Okay. We can also see, is our discriminant positive, negative, or 0 based on a graph. So remember, if my discriminant is positive, that means we have two real solutions. So that means we have two x-intercepts. If it's 0, we have one real solution. And if it's negative, that means we have no real solutions. So this graph has one real x-intercept right there, so one real solution. So that means our discriminant was 0. And then we could do the same thing here, plugging in for b squared minus 4ac. Depending on what the discriminant, if it's positive, we'll have two distinct real zeros. If it's 0, it will be one real solution. If it's negative, it will be one real solution. Or sorry, if it's a positive, it's 2. If it's 0, it's 1. And then if it's negative, it's no real solution.